may, if this is coming down, right, we may get another, move to the highs. But, that's reaching, grasping for straws. So it's not very aggressive. So I'm just going to wait and be patient. I'm not going to put this here so I don't confuse myself. But it's potential. It's potential. EURGBP, not interesting either. USD-CHF, interesting though. According to the daily time frame, we're looking for another bullish impulse move. Okay, here's my impulse. Here's another ABC pattern. On a smaller time frame, we got a nice impulse, corrective structure. Now, are we going to push out of this week? Is USD going to give us a bit of strength? All right, is it going to give us some strength? I think they can. I think they will. But before we confirm that, we need to see some bear signs on the 1 hour. We need to see some bullish movement before we can consider to get in. So, I'm thinking probably Sunday, Monday into Tuesday, we get one more drop back to my 786, which I love, and then we can get that buy. So don't try to buy it too early, right? A lot of you guys get in too early, and then they drop very fast. Scare you guys out of that trade. So they may come like this, 50 pips down, get a lot of people selling, get a lot of people closing their trades, and then they come back very fast. So wait for that. If that happens, we'll definitely be a buyer in USD-CHF. So very, very close to that 786, which I like to touch, especially on that first move out. But they're in a prime location to take off. A prime location to take off. So just being patient, waiting for it. And we'll trade this to the upside if it happens. Okay, so USD-CHF looking real good. Pound USD, it's being in a whirlwind as well. Very, very confusing to say the least. When pairs are confusing, I don't even bother trying to see what they are going to do. I just wait. That's how you have to be as a trader. You don't have to trade every day. You don't have to think that there's a pattern or there's a trade setup. You don't. You really don't, especially being a swing trader, okay? These little moves in here, doesn't, this is not what you're looking for. Okay, you're not looking for these small moves. You're looking for the bigger move. Okay, so these little moves in here, that you may be on the 15-minute and trying to get, we're not interested in that. Okay, so pound USD as well. Let's wait till price shows us a little bit more data. Pound NZD the same. Not gonna bother with it. It's just real droppy. I just don't understand how anybody can trade in this. Just look at it. Right? For 3 weeks, it's been up, and down. Why would you hurt your head? Why would you risk your money trying to buy and sell on a 15-minute time frame in something like this? Why? Okay, just why? It's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. Please get off of those smaller time frames, trying to get in and out of trades, in markets that move like this. Okay, it's just not worth it. You're going to hurt your head, and you're going to make yourself think that you're a bad trader when you're not. You're just trading in a bad market. Okay, Euro NZD, close to the same. Was expecting this C wave to come up, which it did. Started very, very aggressively. Now the question is, are we getting our first continuation pattern, consolidation pattern to head up more? Right? I do believe so. But we'll need to wait, be patient. There's no sells. I wouldn't be selling this. Clearly in a bullish move right now, and it's finishing our last wave, our C wave to the high. So once price gets back to this extreme high, then you'll be looking to take a trade. So this is where patience pays, right? You have to be patient. If you're trading Euro NZD, then you have to wait till we get to the extreme high, right, to take that sell. But buying and selling in the middle of no man's land is a recipe for disaster. CAD CHF. CAD CHF was another interesting one. I saw this pattern on a lower time frame. I had this pattern here. I saw this descending wedge. I didn't take it. I even sent it in the Discord. You could see. So this was the pattern that was happening last week. I was saying, should I take this buy? And boom, next few hours, price took off. All right. Was expecting price to come way back to our extreme highs, and then we can sell, get a huge bearish momentum off this sell. But as you guys can see, we never really made it there. So We just had to adapt and change and flow with the market. So a price is going to make this pattern, which this is a pattern, guys. Okay, this is another pattern I teach in the course. Then that's fine. Okay, the next move will be to the downside. Okay, but we can't sell until we break about 68,850 area. Okay, we can't sell until we get out of these ranges, because price can just continue to make this triangle pattern for quite some time. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Price can make this triangle pattern for quite some time like this. So you don't want to get caught in that. Okay. You don't want to get caught in that. So let's just be patient and wait on CAD CHF. Okay. Let's just be patient and wait. Pound CHF, not interested in those. Pound pairs are a bit in a whirlwind right now. So let's give them time to reveal their hand. Then we'll be better able to assess what they're doing. So right now, NZD, USD, potentially USD CAD, and USD CHF, for today. Now tomorrow, a few hours, that may definitely change, but I'm still liking this trade setup. I really am. Any questions? Any questions from anyone? Any